Hey guys, I wanted to show you a way of balancing your tires with very little tools. This is a 1991 Honda Accord and it is getting completely worked on. So it helps to have the tires in for this balancing. But this car, as you can see, there's this piece of wood here and it's just tied to the frame. And if you get a nice long piece of wood, you can do both sides. But let's just say that you are doing one side. You tie the piece of wood securely, and then you come over here to the very end, and you tie another piece of wood here, and then you put a string here, and this is what people do with cement as well. It's like a plumb line, and you follow it and you put it here, and then you take your ruler. Let's imagine that the tire was in here. It's much easier with the tire, of course, because then you can just measure to the outer edge. So it's a little bit more difficult with the tire off. But what you would do with the rear tire, you would measure it and you get the measurement, then you come up here and you get the measurement. So you take those two measurements. So when you come up here with the tire on is always much better to do. Otherwise you're going to have to subtract and add, and then you just measure it to the tire and just make sure it's the right measurement. So that's how you balance a tire with very little tools. And a lot of people think, oh yeah, you need special tools, but you really don't. And this method works really well. Lots of people use this. This is one of those hacks that a lot of home mechanics use that don't have great tools, but it works fine. You just have to make sure that the distance is exactly the same. And then to adjust it, of course, you come up here to the nut here and you adjust it. And if it's off, you adjust it, make sure the measurements are right, and you're good to go. That's pretty much all you need. So you can see it's a very basic system. You can get it at Home Depot. The string, if you have done any bricklaying, masonry, that's a very good way of doing it. And with this system, you can balance any tire. So hope that helps somebody out there. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.